Okay, so here's one of the records. I already started this reg. So this is a companion badge. The name is Stop Testing. I'll send you that link in a sec. So when I hit next and I have my activity selection, I can select all these different ones, even though they're on the same date. And if I hit next, I don't get an error message. So I have essentially signed up for, if I go back and look, 3 activities on the same day, and the times actually overlap. Um, so that's where we're not seeing the error message come up. So even when I continue back through the reg process, and even on the acknowledgement page, it'll show that I've signed up for 3 events on one day and 2 on another. So then when I go back, I've already logged in. Let me go back out because I updated this now. Go back in from the admin site. And when I look at my itinerary, all these are showing up. So what we need to do is make sure that the registrant can only choose one tour per date because there's a maximum of 20 spots for each tour. Plus, like I said, there's overlapping time, so you can't even attend all of these. So I'll send you the link for this test record that goes with it.